Powered by the Dyson digital motor, DC35 Animal uses a lithium-ion battery, which releases charge evenly and recharges up to 3 times faster than others. It also has patented root cyclone technology, so there's no loss of suction. The motorized floor tool cleans carpets. On hard floors, anti-static carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust. DC35 Animal cleans up top, down below, and in between. It comes with a mini motorized brush bar for pet hair removal and for cleaning ground in dirt from confined spaces.